Welcome. In front of me is an HONOR X8a, and today I will show you how you can enable power saving mode on this phone. So to get started, swipe down from the top of your screen like so to try it again, there we go, to get your toggles visible, and swipe down on them once more to extend the list of visible toggles. Next, locate the power saving mode, which usually would be added into the toggles, I believe, but if it's not, we will need to do that ourselves. And yeah, it looks like it's not visible for me, so I'm gonna click right here on this pencil, swipe down, and here you can see power saving mode. You want to hold it, that it will lift up. You can then drag it over to the top, select done, and now you should have access to it. From here, simply tap on it and enable, but before I do so, I'm going to quickly go over the message right here. So power saving mode, dark mode will be enabled, auto sync and some other functions will be turned off, background app activity will be restricted, and visual effects will be reduced. And now you can select right here to not show up this pop-up ever again whenever you're enabling this mode. But quickly going over this message right here, the actual part that matters the most will be the auto sync, which will be turned off. So what that refers to, it's basically going to disable Wi-Fi and mobile data when you're not using your device. And because of that, you will not be getting any kind of notifications from apps that require set connections. So things like mail fetching, notifications from WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, anything like that, all will be turned off. As long as you're not using the device, you're not going to be getting any of that. And for instance, if you want to see if you got any kind of new emails, you need to open up the application and just refresh it yourself based on this message. So something to keep in mind. It might be very intrusive in terms of saving power like this, but I do want to kind of warn you if you rely on having notifications being delivered to you on time. Anyway, I'm gonna check the box, select enable, and the only instance that you can see that the actual power saving mode is running is this little leaf icon inside of the battery. Now, once you're done with the power saving mode, you can quickly turn it off by finding that toggle once more and tapping on it once again. And as you can see, this reverts all the changes. Now, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.